Welcome to my channel, Crafting with me, Deannie Jones, and welcome to my review of the Springtime Grabie box. Wait a minute, this tray isn't appropriate for this collection. Now this is much better. This is the Grabie April 2025 box, known as Vintage Reverie. This is a subscription box that has everything you need to create anything that you want. Now let's take a turn by opening this beautiful box. But before I do, I wanted to show you on the back side of this box all of the items that are included in this collection. It seems impossible that this box has so much, but I mean, look at this. Just opening this up, there is the collection Vintage Reverie and the description of what you'll find in this amazing little box. But can we start with the tissue paper that I was terrified of ripping because it's toile? It's like this beautiful burgundy and white toile that you can use for any of your crafting or gift giving. I am going to use this for some decoupaging. Please keep your eyes open for that. It might not be in this video, but it will be in future videos. Now, let's explore what's in this Grabie box. What I love about these boxes is how nicely everything is arranged for you. So this one is boudoir windows. Look at all of these gorgeous, gorgeous windows. You can use that in so many different ways in your journals. Next, we have vintage vignettes, and this is anything and everything that you can think of to furnish your beautiful vintage Victorian home. Look at this, little clocks and drawers and chests and oh my gosh, so many little things, mirrors and chairs, anything and everything to decorate your beautiful vignettes with Victorian and classic vintage styles. Next is Vintage World Charm. Look at these papers. And what I love is they give you 3 of each type of paper. Look at this to create beautiful journals or just backdrops and backgrounds for any one of your projects, and just perfect for spring. Next is lace. Who doesn't want beautiful, wonderful lace? For everything that you're thinking of, lace is absolutely perfect. This is wonderful for shabby chic. Grabie always sends you a little sticker and of course some of this tape. This is wonderful as well. This is known as a blossom flower of time. Next, we have Flower Mania, and this is so perfect for spring. And if you are looking for a gift for Mother's Day, look no further. If your mother is crafty, don't go around trying to buy these items one by one. You will spend a bundle, but these subscription boxes are fantastic, and you don't have to keep your subscription. You can change it anytime. Look at this wonderful stuff. Charmed Curiosities. How fun are these to create a beautiful look? And of course, Grabie also sends you a lovely little pin that's themed to your box. Now, these are golden flowers. Look at these flowers. These are wonderful stickers that you can add to anything. Give this to your mom. It's such a wonderful gift. Or what about a friend or an aunt? What about these magical mirrors? Look at these. I absolutely love these, and you can use them anytime. I can see a lot of these items also for light academia and dark academia themed projects. This is just fantastic. Again, you can give this as a gift to yourself or a gift to a friend, anyone that you know is crafty and absolutely loves to collect these paper products. Butterfly charms. Look at the lovely soft pastel colors of these butterflies, and I have a project coming up soon with Let's Resin. We're going to work together and use some of these Grabie butterflies and create some really magical butterflies. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is Victorian elegance, and these are all these lovely Gibson girls. I mean, this is just spectacular. If you love Bridgerton, if you love Jane Austen, This is such a perfect paper pack for you. Imagine creating beautiful, look at this. I had to put them on top of a piece of white paper. There's so many, I couldn't fit them all in here, but absolutely lovely, elegant ladies. Now we have a blender, of course. We need a blender, but of course, for me, this is a little brush for my kudu who's checking out everything I'm opening today. And here is your stamp set in beautiful vintage Victorian aged colors, just perfect. But there's more. There's this whole Grabie pack envelope with your own notebook inside, already colored to the theme of this paper project book. Oh my gosh, I love it. Every one of these has a packet with even more lovely little stickers. Look at this. If you love anything literary, if you love anything Beatrix Potter, such a lovely way to journal. Look at the lace. Look at those lace frames. It's so much. I can't talk about it all at once. It's so much. The lovely ladies, if you love to journal and if you want to have a romantic, beautiful springtime and summer journal, this is the way to go. Look at all of these lovely note papers that you can include in your notebook to journal. And look at these stickers. They look like stamps and just spectacular colors, spectacular details. I wish they were in like larger sizes. I would love this in decoupage paper sizes. Look at this beautiful vellum papers. Can you imagine creating an invitation with these beautiful vellum papers, covering the top of the invitation? Just beautiful. The tea time invitations. Look at this. If you're in your Marie Antoinette phase, this is the Grabie box for you. I am going to have so much fun this summer with all these items. And what I love is I can use a lot of these designs even for Christmas. Make it a vintage Victorian Christmas with these beautiful images. Who can resist? Look at that. I wish I had that beautiful couch in my boudoir. Just spectacular. And the florals, everything is just so lovely. These are all the envelopes and all the items that come in this Grabie box, and it's just amazing. Even these envelopes are beautiful to include in your journal making. Now, let's create something fast and fun. I had these little shadow boxes. These are Tim Holtz. I always say his name incorrectly. And I'm just going to use the papers and just have fun with this collection. I absolutely love it. I was going to paint the box, but I love the vintage look of the boxes. And I love all of these little items. I think the hardest thing for me is how to use all of these items. There's so much that, again, if you have someone that's just starting out in crafting, or maybe has not been crafting, maybe you kept your mom busy for most of your life, or maybe the grandkids have, and this is something nice that maybe your mom or your grandma can do. They would absolutely love the elegance of this vintage romantic set. And if anything, you can always hint for your own kids or your own grandkids. Maybe they should get you a little Grabie box. They don't have to go around and shop at the different, hobby shops or look at things online. It's all right here. And there will be oodles and oodles of projects that you can come up with this beautiful collection. Look at this lovely vintage Victorian Gibson girl in all of her beauty. And you can add as much as you like and create beautiful vignettes or journals, invitations, anything you like. What a wonderful way to spend Mother's Day, just crafting along with her as you open this box together and explore all the wonderful products and items that are here for you. And see how easy it is to create a little shadow box with these items. It's so much fun, and it just takes a little bit of time. And imagine the conversations you can have with your mom. I know I wish my mom was still here. This would be something that we would enjoy together. She always loved to sew, and she loved fabrics and laces and stuff, and this is something small enough and compact enough that if she doesn't have a lot of space, it's just one box. So if you want to learn more about Grabie, please check out my links down below. In my description, you'll see a link to Grabie so you can see all of the items in more detail, as well as find out about their subscription boxes and other boxes that they have available. If you recall, last year I had a wonderful Halloween box that had everything I needed for crafting for Halloween. So as you prepare for summer, for gifts, for anything that you need, this is a great graduation gift for someone who wants to journal their wonderful summer trips. So think of Grabie, and if you do, remember to use my 15% discount code for any purchase on Grabie. They also have subscription boxes for watercolors and anything else you need. This is a wonderful organization that also thinks of others and has a funding for individuals that don't have money for any craft supplies, and it's their art fund, so that 1% of purchases will go to this art fund to help others in their community and all over the nation. Remember to use my special discount code Annie10 when you go to Grabie.com and grab whatever you can for yourself, for others, for those you love. There's nothing like a Grabie subscription box to get your inspiration going. Thanks again for stopping by, and as always, I ask you to please like, share, and subscribe, but most importantly, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. I truly appreciate you, and I hope that you have a beautiful adventure ahead of you today.